Hi Julie, welcome to the Davines Village. We met 3 weeks ago-ish on the casting, and we spoke about your hair, what you like about your hair, some of the ideas that I kind of had for it. But we just wanted to have another chat with you about the references and, you know, when was the last time you had it cut, when was the last time you had it coloured, and then also for Nadina to explain a bit more about the colour approach.
So what I would like to do is just take those curls and maybe deepen the root a little bit, but keep it very light and similar, blonde tones, milky, cream, cappuccino, if that makes sense. And just give them some depth, some definition to just enhance the color.
Okay, I really like the idea. I really like the concept.
You've got such nice defined spiral curls, but as it's all one colour, everything kind of blends in together. So the term you use, the definition of having some like depth in there, is really going to make those defined curls stand out, I think.
True, I have a lot of different curl patterns,
Mm-hmm.
so I feel like it's gonna help me also for the everyday styling.
Mm-hmm.
Because since it's all one color, I don't see much, It's
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, exactly. It all blends in. You lose all those beautiful different curl patterns. Okay, I think that's going to be really nice. Adding that depth,
Yeah.
isolating some of the nicer curls.
Mm-hmm.
It just fits with how we're approaching everything, whether it's the cutting, the styling, or the colour. It's being guided by the hair, having our approximate idea or approximate palette, but allowing Julie's hair to guide us really and tell us where it wants to be placed. Amazing. Let's get going.
Nice.
I'm looking at Julie's hair to understand the different textures within. This helps me to isolate curls I want to define. I take the isolated curls, twist, stretch, and clip them into place. I'm visually deciding which curl should be light to dark or flow from dark to light. I'm applying Formula C to the remaining hair up into the natural regrowth.
I'm applying the Beautiful Things Restoring Leave-In Mask to add an injection of moisture back into the hair after the colour process. When working on textured hair like Julie's, my main priorities are shine, moisture and hold. To achieve this, I'm working with a cocktail of More Inside curl building serum and oil. I gently scrunch the hair, not to style it, but to make sure the products I've used have penetrated and soaked into the hair properly. Begin working above the ear in random sections, approximately 1 inch in diameter. Twist the hair tightly around your finger so the curl springs back and dries in a tight, controlled rope. Once this curl twist pattern has been done throughout the head, I use a sock diffuser to dry the hair without disturbing the curl. Once the curl is dry, I ask Julie to shake her head as I apply shimmering mist. This means that the curl breaks naturally over time. It's important when taking such time and care to create defined curls that the finish, the unravelling of the curl is done in a gentle way, allowing the curl to guide you as you go.